Right now, somewhere in the world, a nurse is turning down leadership position in a healthcare transformation. Another is missing out on a pioneer role in climate responsive care. Why? Because they are not educated about it and they don't know how to take these opportunities. They don't know what you're about to discover. I am Nurse Dina Paoloni, an NHS AI Ambassador and career coach for international nurses. And I am at the forefront of AI and climate change transformation here in the UK. What this nursing experience is part of a bigger transformation happening in healthcare worldwide right now. Through our innovative workshop, nurses have discovered how to position themselves at the forefront of AI and climate change. Click the link below to join our waiting list and be part of our community to be first to know when enrollment opens. What makes this workshop different is that we don't just talk about changes, we're creating it. During the workshop, you will understand the global changes that are happening right now, and you will understand how to surf this wave of innovation in AI and climate change. So many billions are put in the healthcare to innovate in AI and climate change. This means that the healthcare as you know now is dramatically changing. Our last workshop participants discovered how to position themselves as AI and climate change expert, lead innovative healthcare project, transform challenges into career advancement opportunities. The healthcare leaders of tomorrow have been creating today. Become a leader in your space and escape from exploitation.
So I want to urge all nurses to educate yourself on AI, how AI can be used to augment patient care, to educate yourself on climate change and the impact of climate change, to educate yourself on policies on all this, because there are different policies on AI, there are also policies on climate change and different programs that come up on the same. So once you're educated, you not only are able to do your work properly, but you also position yourself to take leadership roles when they come up. So it's best that all nurses should take the initiative. These are things that many employers may not tell you to do. It's up to you to take the initiative and to do it for yourself.
Join our waiting list now. Be part of the next generation of nursing leaders shaping healthcare futures.
For me, attending this workshop on AI and climate change in healthcare and how this can affect your career, or how this can impact the way you navigate your career is something I want to explore, or let me say that it's something I find interesting because first, I've seen the impact AI and tech can have in healthcare practice, and not a lot of nurses are aware about this transformation that could happen. So I believe that being part of this training would give me better insight into what the future of AI in healthcare is and how I can navigate my career as a nurse. Also, passionate about digital health and healthcare innovation, right? And I believe that nurses could be at the forefront of this initiative. So it is also a way of exploring my passion and seeing what are the various opportunities available for me.
Click the link below or above this video to receive valuable information and be part of our community of high achievers, successful nurses.
I've heard about climate change, but the introduction of AI, or let me say, merging AI with climate change is something that is really new to me. I've never really thought of it as an aspect to look into. Trying to merge AI with climate change, I never see it as a need. But with the workshop after this section, I was able to think and relate well how AI can assist in curbing some of these challenges we have with AI, making it easier and faster to access healthcare needs.
Click the link below or above this video and I'll see you inside.